Welcome to Aven Tools here at SMTA Guadalajara. Delighted to be joined by Mark Kampuwala.
Very good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, so I believe you were the fortunate recipient of an award this morning for this new inspector you've got here. Tell us a little bit about it and why you won.
So we're excited to get the award today for the Mexico Technology Award. We actually won a similar award in the US for this product as well, for a new product. This product here actually is the first of its ever magnifying lamp that has a built-in camera with it.
Okay.
So we've always used to get the question, how do I take a picture with this? Can I take a picture with this? Because if you look at our microscopes, the other products we sell, it's been really easy to take a picture.
Right.
So we're able to put a camera in the back that's adjustable.
Okay.
And you can take a picture, a video, and the camera will stay in focus through the whole length. So now as somebody's looking through the lamp, a team can collaborate and see it on a video as well.
Right, so you can see it on a screen that sits beside here for a video, so you could have 2 or 3 people looking at the same image.
Absolutely.
Or you can take a video or a photograph that you can then send electronically to someone.
Absolutely, so it actually has a built-in SD card to take a picture, or you can use the USB output to send it right to a computer to send it to anybody. And it's also got an HDMI output. If you don't need to take a picture, you can just put it live up on the screen.
Right, right. So this is a very useful tool for a lot of people that are doing manual inspection or even touch-up assembly and stuff like that.
Yeah, even incoming inspection to document. There's a whole range. Like I said, we've sold this product to everything to electronics manufacturers, medical device manufacturers, to nail salons.
Right.
So
right.
It's been quite the crossover product for us.
Yeah, very versatile, very versatile. So what is the model name of it, Mark? What do you actually call it?
It is called the Aven Inspector.
Inspector.
Yeah, pretty simple, yep.
Pretty simple, okay.
Yep.
Great, so there you go. That's the Aven Inspector from Aven Tools, coming to you from SMTA Guadalajara.